Your home's doors do more than provide an entryway, they also play a vital role in your home's energy efficiency. In Orangeburg, where hot summers and mild winters are common, old or inefficient doors can allow drafts, air leaks, and energy loss, leading to higher utility bills and less comfort. Replacing outdated doors with modern, energy-efficient designs is a smart investment that pays off in savings, comfort, and environmental impact. Here's how door replacement in Orangeburg can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency. Sealed against air leaks. One of the main causes of energy loss in homes is air leaks around old or poorly fitted doors. Cracks, gaps, or worn-out weather stripping can let in hot air during summer and cold drafts in winter, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. New door technology. Modern replacement doors come with advanced weather stripping and tight seals that prevent air infiltration. Professional installation. Proper installation ensures there are no gaps or uneven fittings, creating an airtight barrier. By sealing your home effectively, new doors help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the strain on your heating and cooling systems. Improved insulation. Insulation is key to energy efficiency, and today's replacement doors are designed with materials and technologies that provide superior thermal performance. Advanced materials. Fiberglass and steel doors often feature a core of polyurethane foam or other insulating materials that help reduce heat transfer. Thermal breaks. Many modern doors include thermal breaks, insulated barriers within the door frame, that further enhance energy efficiency. These features are especially valuable in Orangeburg's warm climate, where keeping cool air inside your home is essential during the summer months. Energy-efficient glass options. If your door includes glass elements, such as side lights or windows, choosing energy-efficient glass can make a big difference. Low E coatings. Low emissivity glass reflects heat, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter while still allowing natural light to enter. Double or triple glazing. Multiple panes of glass with insulating gas, such as argon or krypton, between them provide better insulation than single pane options. UV protection. Energy-efficient glass blocks harmful UV rays, protecting your furniture and flooring from fading while reducing heat gain. Upgrading to energy-efficient glass in your replacement door ensures that you enjoy both style and functionality. Reduced energy bills. With better insulation and air sealing, replacement doors help lower your energy consumption, leading to reduced utility bills. Less HVAC usage. Energy-efficient doors minimize the need for heating and cooling, as they maintain your home's temperature more effectively. Year-round savings. Whether it's keeping heat out in Orangeburg's hot summers or retaining warmth during cooler months, you'll notice savings throughout the year. The cost savings on your energy bills can quickly offset the initial investment in a replacement door. Environmentally friendly living. Choosing energy-efficient doors isn't just good for your wallet. It's also a step toward a greener, more sustainable home. Lower carbon footprint. Reduced energy use means fewer greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to a healthier planet. Sustainable materials. Many modern doors are made from recyclable or sustainably sourced materials, further minimizing their environmental impact. For environmentally conscious homeowners in Orangeburg, replacing old doors with energy-efficient alternatives is a practical way to reduce your ecological footprint. Enhanced comfort. An inefficient door can lead to uncomfortable drafts, hot spots, and temperature fluctuations in your home. Replacing it with a well-insulated, energy-efficient door improves comfort for you and your family. Consistent temperatures. Say goodbye to chilly drafts in winter and overheated entryways in summer. Noise reduction. Energy-efficient doors also provide better soundproofing, creating a quieter and more enjoyable living space. With a replacement door, your home becomes a more comfortable sanctuary, regardless of the weather outside. Increased home value. Energy-efficient upgrades are increasingly sought after by potential buyers, and a new, energy-efficient door adds significant value to your home. Market appeal. Modern doors enhance your home's curb appeal and demonstrate that your home is updated and energy-conscious. Return on investment. Door replacement is one of the most cost-effective home improvements, offering both immediate energy savings and long-term value. Whether you're planning to sell your home or stay for years to come, an energy-efficient door is a smart investment. Tailored solutions for Orangeburg's climate. Not all doors are created equal, and choosing a design suited to Orangeburg's specific climate is essential. Professional installers can help you select doors with features like durable materials. Fiberglass and steel resist warping, cracking, and fading in the region's humid conditions. Storm-ready options. Impact-resistant doors provide added protection during severe weather events. Custom designs. Choose from a variety of styles, colors, and finishes to match your home's aesthetic while maximizing energy efficiency. Conclusion. A worthwhile upgrade. Door replacement in Orangeburg is more than just a home improvement project. It's an opportunity to enhance your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and value. By sealing air leaks, improving insulation, and upgrading to energy-efficient materials, you'll enjoy lower energy bills, a greener lifestyle, and a more comfortable living environment. Consult with a trusted professional to find the perfect replacement door for your home and ensure expert installation. With the right energy-efficient door, you'll see the benefits immediately and for years to come.